Andito po tayo ngayon sa Inlagadian town, kung saan ilalagay ang pinakamalaking cross sa taas ng bundok. Ito talaga ay napakataas. Okay? So, this is for to attract tourists to come to Bicol, you know. So, is another thing. Don't you know that Casiguran right now in Sorsogon is the best beautiful ng town ng Pilipinas. They are number 1. Okay? So natalo nila ang Palawan. But anyway, so that's what I've been heard. Okay? So don't me wag mo anuhin na okay, inaano ko lang kung ano lang ang nabalitaan ko. But anyway, so yan, nakikita nyo, ang ganda talaga. Alam mo, maganda naman talaga sa Bicol kasi nandoon lahat ang kung gusto mo nang
nakita mo guys talaga
kasi di ba mga malapit sila sa volcano. So, it's really a lot of resort in Sorsogon, okay? And Casiguran is one of my hometown. So, talagang napakaganda na ngayon ng Bicol. Okay, compare sa at saka sariwa pa ang hangin na mo, alam mo na. So, thank you all for watching here. So, this is to be continuation. I still have more videos to upload if you guys are interested to see what is going on in Bicol, Sorsogon, and mga Oragon. Alam mo naman, di ba? Ganyan lang. Maririnig niyo naman diyan, nag-i-explain diyan ang brother ko at saka ang sister-in-law ko sa video na ito. Thank you all for watching. Bye.